Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bangladesh. A land of rivers, green fields, and endless natural beauty. From peaceful villages to vibrant cities, Bangladesh is full of life, culture, and warm hearts. The sunrise over the rivers, the golden sunsets, and the glowing city lights at night. Every moment here feels special. Bangladesh is rich in history, tradition, and growing possibilities. A country where simplicity meets strength. This is not just a place on the map. This is Bangladesh, a land worth visiting, exploring, and